see I'm on a little street 500. It goes alright, but I swear I must look like some big fucking dickhead on the day. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, all the deals all done. So I'm going down to pick up a Sporty today. She can't actually ride it just yet. She's got another 3 weeks before she can legally ride it. So in that time, I'm going to be putting full controls on it. We're going to be changing the bars, new grips, new pegs. I think she wants to change the colour, as you heard in another video, teal and pink. Might even get it wrapped. You know, so yeah. But yeah, no, this bike doesn't go too bad, I suppose. But one thing that's wrong with this bike, it's hard to find fucking neutral A. But yeah. But you know this. Yeah, up at straight 500. What it is, yeah, like it's go to streets. Well, I suppose people want to get into this Harleys and fucking idiots. Yeah, like if you just want to get into the first Harley, it's a good first Harley, I just done heard really good in that, you know. So, yeah. Oh, I'm right in 6th gear. I feel like I'm sitting on a bloody toilet, mate, I tell ya. She's going to miss this little thing, you know, she loved it. But it's time to step up now, get a bigger bike and stuff. All these cars want to go past me, I'm doing the fucking speed limit, you idiot. Oh. Here's what my girl's been cruising around on for fucking the last 18 months, mad. Should have went down the bloody freeway, but I think fuel would be ringing its neck, to be honest. It still sounds alright for a little street 500, I reckon. With the fancy nice pipes and yeah, got a new one we're getting. So full, like, customise it the way that she wants. You know, I know that she wants to like make it girly and that, but still tough like Harley and that. You know, she's excited, she's pumped. Yeah. I just feels, yeah. That is straight road! I still, yeah. Fuck it, gonna go down the bloody freeway. Bring its neck for a bit. That's a little bike. Big bloke, little bike. Down. Yeah, it doesn't do too bad, 100 k's. I'm 90. I think the other one will feel better. This is a straight 500's final ride. Fat dickhead on this fucking little bike, eh? I mean, look at that. But yeah, that's a mad little cruisy little thing. M4. Hey, how's everyone go? Fucking 7 afternoon. There's so many accidents here at the Church Street exit. When I start working the armo, always here. Everyone's banking up and they bang. Yeah. Fucking traffic. See, so yeah, I think she'll like a new Sporty. This it's a big upgrade for her, you know. Like this one, yeah, no, it's yeah, like it's done well till she gets a full license. But apart from that, yeah, everything we're gonna do to it, we'll customise it and that for her. It'll be mad. So yeah, all right. We'll see you guys at Morgan and Wacker. Alright, so that is Street 500. Let's have a moment to think about the Street 500. Right, that's enough of that. There you go. Oh no, she called it Latrell. That's right, Latrell. Nice. See you later, Latrell. You've done excellent, mate. Cheers, brother. Alright, so we turned up on Morgan and Wacker, Auburn, talking to the legend himself, Mr. Pugs from Live to Ride. Hey Pugs, what do you reckon?
Hey bro.
Yeah, good brother.
Look at me, my work environment.
Yeah, you know, it's all his work environment, so yeah. Big shout out to him for hooking this up for me girl and everything like that. If you want a good deal, best customer service, everything, come and see Pugs. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, that looks good, eh? Nice and clean, eh? Fuck yeah, man, that looks mad.
It won't be long to be able to get rid of those puffy grips.
Yeah, I know. When those stupid fucking...
Put them on your ST, mate.
Nah, these aren't going to go on my ST, bro. Man, I'm going to put a hog light in there for it too, I reckon. Yeah, sold. Yeah, sold. Yeah, that's it. Nice. She's going to look good when she's all finished. That is Sporty. Nice. Can't wait to see the progress of this come together for my girl. Watching her customise it the way she likes it. I reckon it'll be bloody awesome, to be honest. Nice. Looks fucking good. Hey, I like it. The way they sit, it's mad. Alright.
Camera action.
Alright, so I'll just pick it up. My girl's bike now.
It's delivery day,
yeah.
isn't it, Mick?
Yeah, it's delivery day. And I'm very excited. Any future purchases that you want, Morgan Wacker, come and see Pugs. He's the best.
Yeah.
That's a Harley Davidson signature on that one, mate.
So she's going to be a bit different to your low rider ST, mate, right?
Yeah, I think so. So that's the girl there. So what do you think of the bike, Pugs? Do you like it?
I love it, man. In the old days, man, remember they used to say Sporties are, ladies Harley.
Yeah.
Bullshit, man. You can do a lot to them. And this thing's just a nice, put together Sporty, I reckon.
Yeah, I mean, I've been hearing that heaps lately, bro. They're saying the dealers back in America used to say the Sporties were the girls' bike to sell the biggest one. Is that true?
No, Well, that's what they had that moniker back in the day.
Yeah.
But no, you've seen some of the stuff that blokes do to the Sporties and that.
Yeah.
They ride them hard, mate.
Yeah.
Fucking,
100%, man. That's mad.
Like I said, that's just a really nice put together custom, man. I like it.
Yeah.
I reckon the missus are going to love it, brother.
Yeah, nah, we're going to change a few things up on it, bro, but yeah.
As you do, that's the beauty of it.
Yeah, nah, it's a forever Harley, man. She'll love it until she wants a big one, maybe. Oh, fuck, who knows, but yeah. Nah, all good, bro. I appreciate that, bro.
Brother. Enjoy.
All right, enjoy the ride home, guys. Going to give it a bit of shit. What do you reckon? Say, see you later, pugs.
See you again.
All right, guys. Yeah, no, it's not too bad. I just come through the back of work. I'll see you later on, work. I had to lock the camera, guys, because he was shaking around too much. Fuck, it goes alright, this fucking thing. I think my girl's gonna like this. This is a big fucking step up, babe. Probably straight 500, I'll tell you. Nice. Fucking mad. So I don't mind these bars too much, to be honest. But if you want apes, babe, you're going to have apes. Fuck, it's in, yeah, it's real pokey, eh? It's mad. Yeah, it's, like, it's very, very pokey compared to Street 500, man. This thing's fucking, yeah, big mad step up for her. Awesome. Yeah, I think she'll love it, to be honest. Yeah, well, I can't really get rid of these fucking shorty leaders. Don't like them at all. I'm gonna hit the freeway, guys. That's all we're gonna speak to the red light camera. Stay off the little 400s, go good, man. Damn. My girl's Sporty, beautiful. Gotta change that fucking headlight, but looks horrible in the mirror. Yeah, see? Girl Sporty. Okay. Wow. Love it. Hopefully do everything to it for her. It's gonna be awesome. Can't really see anything in the mirror, eh? Hey, Harley Davidson. It's so much better than the bloody Street 500, eh? That's a fucking Sporty, eh? It's alright, man. I know, this looks different in the Dyna on your low rider, but this fucking gets up and grip. I like it. It's different. It's got fucking heaps of balls for the girl, but mad. I'll just go fun with this. Awesome. Even with these kick controls, it's really, really comfortable, eh? That much. Fucking hell. I feel baby. Way! Right, guys. I hope you like this video of getting my girl a Sporty. Yeah, I think she's going to have a lot of fun on this. Do a lot of customisation to it. It's her first big girl bike. She'll be able to do anything that she wants to, so I don't know if I'm going to make this one part or two parts. See how long the video goes for, but yeah. Thank you again to all my loyal subscribers and the current and everybody that keeps watching. Much love and respect, really appreciate it. And tell you what, she's really going to like this Sporty, eh? Like this thing, for a Sporty, man, goes fucking pretty good, eh? Mad. But yeah, no, it's going to customise it all. As you heard, teal, pink, 4 controls, handlebars, grips, pegs, fucking a lot. Just make it her own, you know. That's the beauty of Harleys and whatever, or any other bike, you know, you can customise them however you want. You know, it's beautiful. I can't wait to see what she does with this. So this is going to be her new, her new control. Alright guys, so yeah, we'll catch us on the next one.